'Cause I just see it as a blessing from the Lord. You know what's funny? It's my wife's fault. If you've been paying attention, or if you live on a farm, you would know we've not had rain for over 2 months. And so Brittany Lake has been praying for rain a little too hard. But what a blessing. There's a first for everything. And you know, isn't that the thing about God though? A storm will come your way. You know God will use it. Rain will come your way. God will use it. Think about this. You just got to flip your perspective. You got to see it how he does. Because tonight I might be a little inconvenienced, but you know, back home, my grass is going to be a lot stronger for them cows I'm trying to feed. So you can either see it as a burden or you can see it as a blessing. I'm here to tell you that the trials in your life, the things that are going on, you can either see them as a burden or you can see it as a blessing. Even though it might be filled with pain, God's trying to do something through it. He might not have caused it, but he'll use it. That thing you didn't ask for that happened to you without your permission, that breaks his heart too. It breaks his heart too that it happened, but you know what? If you put it in his hands, God will use it. Am I speaking to anybody tonight? You're allowed to respond to me. I know we're in the Bible Belt and you gotta act all, you know, comfortable, but you can scream, you can lose your mind tonight. We're not a church. We're outside the church, which is actually where the church belongs. You know what I'm saying? Outside the walls, everywhere. Look at your neighbor and say, you thought you were coming to a rock and country concert. Surprise, you came to church. So on that note, ain't no rain gonna stop my praise. Yeah. So Holy Spirit, come. Use it, use it, use it tonight. Do what you wanna do. Yeah. Move how you wanna move. With you. With you. Fall afresh on us tonight. Sing this with me. And Holy Spirit, come rest on. There you go. You're beautiful.